Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We will discuss one of the healthiest foods, chia seeds. Chia seeds have been consumed for thousands of years and were a staple food for the Aztecs and Mayans. They are a great source of nutrition and have numerous health benefits. So, let's dive into the world of chia seeds and learn about their benefits and the best ways to consume them. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are tiny black and white seeds that come from the plant Salvia hispanica, which is native to Mexico and Guatemala. These seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition and are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Benefits of chia seeds: promote heart health. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. Aid digestion. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, which helps promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and improve overall digestive health. Boost energy. Chia seeds are high in protein and fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. They also contain carbohydrates, which provide energy to your body. Improve bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are essential minerals for healthy bones. Weight loss. Chia seeds are low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them an ideal food for weight loss. The fiber in chia seeds helps keep you full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to snack between meals. Best ways to consume chia seeds: add them to smoothies. One of the easiest ways to consume chia seeds is by adding them to your favorite smoothie. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with your favorite fruits and vegetables, blend it, and enjoy a nutritious and filling smoothie. Chia seed pudding is a delicious and healthy dessert that is easy to make. Simply mix chia seeds with your favorite milk, sweetener, and flavorings like vanilla extract or cinnamon. Refrigerate it for a few hours, and you'll have a nutritious and tasty pudding. Sprinkle them on top of salads. Another easy way to consume chia seeds is by sprinkling them on top of salads. They add a nutty flavor and a crunchy texture to your salads, making them more enjoyable. Mix them in yogurt. Chia seeds can be mixed with yogurt to create a healthy and delicious snack. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with your favorite yogurt and enjoy a nutritious and filling snack. Chia seeds are a superfood that has been consumed for thousands of years. They are packed with nutrients and have numerous health benefits. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is easy, and there are many delicious ways to consume them. So, go ahead and try out these simple and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.